Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today, for our number talk, we're looking at these two fractions and trying to decide which one is greater. So let's look. We've got 8 ninths and we've got 10 elevenths. Hopefully, one thing that you notice is that there is just one digit difference between each of these numerators and denominators, right? So if we add 1 to the 8, we are going to get a 9. And then if we add 1 to the 10, we are going to get an 11, which means they're really close to each other. Now, we can tell which one is greater without using any type of cross multiplication or changing these to decimals, simply by looking at this relationship. Let's take a few examples. Let's take 1/2. You see there's a 1 difference between the numerator and the denominator. Right, so that's going to be 1/2. But if I go up a little bit, 2/3, we have to try to draw that same square. You notice how I'm cutting them into smaller pieces, and I ended up shading a little bit more. If I did the same thing with 3/4, take a look at this. It keeps getting more and more. So, as long as you're keeping a standard distance away from each other, in this case 1, imagine 1/2, and imagine if I had 99/100. Wow, that'd be almost the entire thing would be shaded in. So what we can tell from this, right, it would be basically the entire thing all shaded in. We can tell that if you have that standard distance away from each other, the larger the numerator and denominator, the more is shaded. So we can say that 8 ninths is less than 10 elevenths and that 10 elevenths is greater.